Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Mamredi. Um, I am a sophomore at the University of Georgia and I am majoring in computer systems engineering. Today I'm going to be giving you a demo of my final project for CSEE 2210 Computer Systems Engineering 2. So let me give you a little bit of a rundown of what our final project is about. So basically we had three options for this project. The first option was to continue on a group project that we had earlier on, where we had to come up with a system to help visually impaired kids get across places safely. Um, we had to use a kiosk to be able to get those kids across campus or any other place. So that was part A, where we had to actually build a component of that system. Part B was also in also a continuation of the previous project we did this semester. Um, that is actually a solo project. That is the one that I picked. Um, excuse me. Uh, Part C was where that is completely new. We didn't touch on that earlier on this semester. We were able to pick an AI project and add on to that, or even build it from scratch. So part B is what I chose. It is a continuation of a work I started earlier on this semester. So the basic idea is that I want to create an application that will let UGA students, I'm sorry, that it will actually create a schedule of classes for UGA students. This eliminates a lot of the anxiety that comes with um, creating the schedule for yourself, and it could potentially make you lose out on taking those classes because the competition in University of Georgia is extremely fierce. There are a lot of students that want to take a particular class, and there are very limited amount of seating. So I think that if they know how to plan their schedule better, they can get into their classes a lot easier. So that's why I decided to make this application that will make scheduling classes extremely easy. So without further ado, let's get into the app and I'm going to demo what it does. So this is the main screen. Right now it looks pretty ordinary. The first version I just focused on mainly the functionality and not on the style. So there are three buttons here. We can view the classes, we can create a schedule, and there are options. So let's see what the view classes does. That brings you to a menu. It tells you to please select a course. So this is where you want to select courses that you need for your degree. So let me just pick out a couple classes here. Data structures and multivariable calculus. So it tells you on the bottom that it has been added. There is a database in the background that keeps track of which classes you've added. So now I have those two classes in the database. So that's basically what the view classes option does. So now that we have those two classes in the database, let's create a schedule out of those classes. Okay, so it already has a schedule for us. I picked math, multivariable calculus, and data structures. So right now it looks a little bit clunky, but I'm still working that out. Right now I have the functionality laid out, but I'm still working out this the way the columns look a little bit compressed. I'll fix that in a later version. So right now, if you look at the preferences down here, I have a schedule right now without any of those preferences selected. So right now it's just building a schedule without any preferences enabled. So let's say I want an early class. So now I will move that data structures all the way to the top, and it will move it to an 8 a.m. slot. So I don't want an early class, so let's just put it back there. So that's basically what the creator schedule does for you. it will make a schedule for you based on which classes are in the database that you selected in the view classes option. So now if we go to the options, this is where I would like to be able to implement a sign-in feature based on your My ID at the University of Georgia. So like for example, if I put my ID and then whatever password is, I would like for it to be able to sign in to your My ID so that it can remember your schedules so that you don't have to keep creating the schedule whenever you come into this application. So I can sign out and then it will reset the text fields if I wanted to sign in with a different account. And I also have some notifications here as well. I would like for it to be able to tell you if you need to sign in or sign out or something like that. So that's basically what my app does. I just hope that it can help some students access some classes that they couldn't before because of all of this competition. Like they can have a schedule ready for them on the day that they need to sign up for classes on Athena. So that's basically it. That's my application. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later.